Hello everybody and welcome to Caldera Creations. I am so happy to be back. We got some easy to make spring wreaths going on, and if you guys enjoy and like my videos, consider pressing the subscribe button and you will be notified of my upcoming video. And with that much thanks, and let's get this started. Okay, we are working with a 38-inch ribbon and we got a 46-inch ribbon. We also got some geraniums, we got some petunias, we got some lavender, we got a box of some greenery. Also might be working with the handy dandy ribbon twister. We got scissors and some wire cutters, and we got you. Let's get started. Okay, first one, we are going to use this 38-inch. We are going to make our two loops with a little tail, but the two loop, this tail is going to be like 9 inches. And we are going to make a 13-inch loop. We're going to make it look spectacular. So we get this and we put it down here. Turn it this way and we grab this one. Turn it around right here. You can tell the size with the other one by bringing it up. Oh, a little bit more. Then we got it right there. Let's see. There we go. And I have a little tail. Then I got these. I'm already got my pinpoints, so I'm going to put them on already. Yes, indeed. Happy spring. Happy spring. Okay, look at that. Then we're going to just take this little bit, just make a little kind of poof right there, and we're just going to bring it down here and just let it look pretty right here, like that. Okay, how's that looking, everybody? Beautiful. And then what we're going to do is take our next 46-inch ribbon, and I got my pinpoint. Okay, the first one we are going to do, I think it's a small little tail, like 9 inches. Well, we are going to make this one like 11 because we're going to have a little tail, 11-inch tail. Then we are going to do the 13-inch loop. 13-inch loop. Okay, I'll get it kind of bold looking. Take that, and then we're going to take this one around. Pin that on like that. See if they're the same size. Voila. See how simple that is. And then we are going some more pretty green up in here. Get some more down here. Got it. Put some more right here. Now, I think we're going to get that one over here. Right down here. There we go. Enough talking so you could... There. Wow, how's it looking? Woo. Okay, then let's get rolling down here. I think this is a little too long, so we're just going to chop that off and get that going right here. And another one here. Let's just go wild with these. This one, we got one there. I think we're going to get another lavender right here. Let it pop out so we can see the beautiful color. We got some of these from the lavender. I got one there. Let me put some over here because there's none of that color. Got another one right here. Oh, yes, indeed. Okay, and then we got one more blue, and I think we got this, everybody. I think we got this. Let's just puff up our... I think we got this, everybody. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. It was fun to be in here, and I will be back again. But hang on, we ain't done yet. We are going to use our handy dandy ribbon twister. Just twist that around. And bam, look at that. How beautiful. We're going to come up here, and we are going to do the same. Bam, look at that, everybody. Once again, I thank you for coming to my channel. I hope you enjoyed it. Until the next time, everybody. Ooh, look at that. It's backwards. It's upside down. How's that looking? And there it is. Wow. How'd that come out, everybody? Hope you got some ideas or